Hello, thanks for joining this tutorial today where we're going to look at NewCode's migration tools for Visual Studio 2008. What we're going to do is run through a C# migration, Visual Basic 6 to C#. We're going to look at the code generation, the artifacts that are created, and then we're going to look at the model and regenerating code from the model. Okay, so what I've just done is install the NewCode Visual Studio extension into my copy of Visual Studio 2008. So I'm going to select File, New Project, Visual C#, NewCode for C#. It's created a project name for me. This is going to launch the NewCode wizard. So we're migrating from Visual Basic to Visual C#. The next page of the wizard, I'm going to select my legacy files. So I'll select a particular VB6 project. I can also select individual files or the actual project file. So I'll select this particular project file here. Project pattern, output type, so I'm going to create a Windows Forms application. I hit run on the wizard. Next, then supply my email address. And password. And then hit validate account button. So this authorizes who I am and authenticates me and authorizes my conversion. So I hit migrate button. The wizard has actually started. So what the wizard is actually doing is it's passing the legacy VB6 code and it's building a model and associated code blocks, and then from that model the wizard will generate the C# converted application into my project. So you can now see on the right hand side the generated C# files appearing in the source folder. Okay, so if we have a look at what we have here, we have a C# solution and project with properties, assembly information, resources, project references. We have the C# code generator that's used to actually generate the code from the model. Documentation that's generated, the model itself and its associated code blocks, reports, the migration report, which gives a list of issues that were encountered during the migration, and the migrated application. So if I click on these forms, we can have a look at them. Okay, second form there. This form has different types of controls on it. It has some tabs. So that's the second, the outputs tab, the third tab. Okay. If we view the code behind these files as a designer file here, and we can look at the generated C# code. This contains the information that's mapped from the original VB6 prologue into target .NET framework controls. You can also look at the source code inside the file itself. And what I'm actually going to show you is just to demonstrate the fact that the code is generated from the model, if I delete this particular file, okay, so that file's been deleted, and then I can regenerate the code using the code generator from the model by transforming the templates which are inside the code generator folder. And the form is generated in the background. I confirm that it's been included in my project. And there it is now, it's reappeared, and I can open that form again. So basically what this means is that we can perform a number of re-engineering tasks on the model, and we can generate the code again and again until we're happy with the quality of the migration. We can edit the code generator, we can change the templates to implement our own standards and look and feel, and we can change model elements and their properties and the associated code blocks.